Sardinia, welcome to Cagliari, welcome everybody to our international workshop on neonatology and pediatrics. We are very happy to guest you in this beautiful town, this beautiful island. This event follows the previous editions, very successful, and we had the participation of more than 11,000 people. This year, the proceedings will be published in the Journal of Pediatric and Neonatal Individualized Medicine, which is indexed in Scopus and Web of Science, and which is official journal of several international and national societies. Welcome to the International Workshop on Neonatology and Pediatrics. Buon congresso!